Jojo the Space Monkey. Yay!
Once upon a time, in a bright green jungle, there lived a small, curious monkey named Jojo.
Yummy banana! Whee! Hello, parrots!
Hello there!
Hello!
Every night, he looked up at the sky.
Good nap. The stars are so pretty tonight.
The stars sparkled and shined.
I want to go to space one day.
The other animals laughed.
A monkey in space?
That's impossible! Monkeys stay in trees, not in rockets.
Jojo felt a little sad, but he did not give up.
I believe I can do it. I believe I can fly to space.
Every day, Jojo worked hard. He used old parts, leaves, and sticks to build his own rocket.
I'm a monkey builder, clever and bright, gathering scraps with all my might. Bolts and nuts, a rocket will see, flying high, just wait and see.
It took a long time. Finally, one night, Jojo was ready. Three, two, one, whoa! Jojo flew up into the sky, past the clouds, past the moon, into space.
We made it to space! It's amazing! Wow! I'm floating in space! Look!
The stars were bright. Space was big and beautiful.
Finally, planet Saturn! Wow! You all look so friendly! Hi there! Yay! I landed from space!
After his adventure, Jojo flew back home. The animals were shocked.
Friends forever!
We were wrong to laugh. Forgive us?
Of course! Friends forgive!
From that day on, no one laughed at Jojo's big dreams anymore.
You can be anything you want to be, if you believe and never give up.
Jojo, Jojo, little monkey high, looking at the stars up in the sky. They say no, but I'll still try. I will fly, I will fly. Build it, piece by piece. Never stop and never cease. Dream it big, don't let go. Watch me now, I'm ready, go. Up, up, up he goes, past the moon and where wind blows. Jojo smiles, now I see I can be anything I dream to be. Jojo, Jojo, don't you quit. Keep on going bit by bit. If you dream and you believe, you can do anything.
Goodbye, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to Liz the Storyteller for more stories.